Hi, this is Bill Dominici with Lenovo. Here I want to show you today the new IdeaPad Y900. This is the evolution of our Y series, and it's our premium product in our gaming notebooks. The Y900 incorporates a 17-inch panel, an IPS panel, so very rich in terms of color. It also incorporates some nice features, like it actually has a mechanical keyboard. And that is something definitely a lot of gamers are looking for in terms of the gaming experience. You can see here too that it's got lighting in the keyboard that you can adjust, so you can customize it based on the different sectors within the keyboard to give it a more custom and a more kind of an immersive experience. This product also supports up to GTX 980 graphics cards, and really on Core i7 overclocking. It's really a full-blown gaming notebook and really rounds out our gaming portfolio that we have currently. This product will start shipping within the first half of the year, and its retail price is $19.99. Some other things that we have here, similar to what we do in our Y900 desktop, is we've got the Lenovo Nerve Center. It's kind of a central area that you can control some of the systems within your gaming notebook to really optimize the experience. And you can see how you're boosting that. And also allows you to adjust the keyboard, the lighting, and you can even customize it if you want. Another thing to notice too is the language here, the design language. What we're really trying to make sure is that the Y series is a unique gaming brand. We're doing that in our desktops. You'll see similar language. The Y is really what the iconic symbol for our gaming brand. We've got additional accessories that we've come out with, like the notebook, like the notebook backpack, as well as the headsets. We've got mechanical keyboard and mouse.